Hey guys, it's Devanshi. Welcome back to my channel. Anybody who knows me will tell you how much I love my green tea. Today I'm going to be showing you two masks for oily and dry skin using green tea. The first mask is for oily skin. 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon green tea and half a teaspoon of lemon. Rice flour aids in exfoliation and green tea has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties that aid the skin in multiple ways. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. The second one is for dry skin. Take half banana, mash it thoroughly and add 2 teaspoons of green tea. This is known for its excellent moisturizing and hydrating benefits. Leave it on until it dries and wash it off with cold water. Another trick I've learned is to moisturize within 5 seconds of washing your face when the skin is still a little damp. This beautifying serum and beetroot lip balm are from Dega Organics. I personally love them. Don't forget to do a patch test before applying it on your face. Do try it out and let me know how it works for you. Stay safe. Bye.